Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how we can reset your WordPress website to its original state. So you might want to do this when you have break something in your site while you were testing and playing around, and now you want to start fresh. So instead of uninstalling the whole site and then reinstalling again, a more quicker approach is to reset your site. So we're going to use a free plugin called Advanced WordPress Reset for that. So I currently have a site with some plugins and some posts and pages, and now we're gonna reset everything. So let's go to the dashboard, plugins, add new, and here search for Advanced WordPress Reset. Install and activate it. Let's go to the tools and Advanced WP Reset. And before we proceed any further toward reset, I want to warn you that this will wipe your entire database, including all your posts, pages, and settings. So make sure you know you really want to do this. So type the reset here and click on a reset database. Now it will again ask you for a confirmation. So click on continue. And it's done, and we are logged out from our site. So enter your username and password. Now when I go to my posts or pages, everything is gone, but this hasn't deleted my plugins and themes. They are just deactivated. So if you also want to delete them, select all of them and delete. Also deactivate and delete this one as well. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next one.